Hi guys, it's one more big project is done. It will be a new house in here, but our part was done. He wants to make a border of his land with a rustic style natural stone wall, and it's a huge project. It's about 500 meters long wall from 1 meter till 2.5 meters high over there nearby the road, and for now it's completely done. He will put the fence over here with the interval nearby 2.5 meters will be the posts, and 1 meter high fence. So later on we'll see the new house in here with the pool and etc. For now I will collect our tools, deposits for the water, generator, and all the manual tools, because in here we have no water, no electricity yet, so we were working with our generator, and we were bringing the water in these tanks. This stone we were taken from the ground and from existing building, the old building. It was a building of an old blacksmith, because we were found a lot of tools of it. The stones from this old building were extremely good. Almost all of them has good faces, and from good stones we were built the piece of the wall over there nearby the road. So there will be the entrance in this land. There are a few good trees, olive trees, fruit trees, palms. In here he will build a pool on this territory. As you can see, we make pretty long and huge wall in here, and we will put a lot of soil on this side, so this wall will hold the road nearby. So as I told you, this part I'm on the road now, and as I told you, this part of the wall was built from stones of the old building. And as you can see, it's pretty much different with another part. So the stones for this part of the wall, for the rustic style, we were taken directly from the ground, from the soil over here. It's a lot of them, and this kind of a style is completely different. In the initially it was he wants 2 pillars in here for the gate, but then he changed his mind. I think he will do the gate like slicing to this direction, and the entrance has 5 meters wide. It's enough for any size of a track, and the road pretty large, so it will be enough for entering. So this project is done. We will do just a cleaning of rocks, materials, and the garbage over there, and we will start another one soon, and we'll see how it will change with the new I suppose pretty house over there, because the land is very good location, and it has an incredible view to the mountains over there, and it's pretty calm, no noise. I'm just listening of sound of birds and nothing more. So good luck, give me some likes, and subscribe on our channel. Thanks.